Welcome back to Future Car, where we dive into the most exciting vehicles shaping the roads ahead. Today we're looking at a familiar favorite that's been reimagined for the future, the all-new 2026 Suzuki Swift. This isn't just a minor update. Suzuki has gone all-in with the new Swift, refining what fans love about the car while adding tech and efficiency upgrades that make it more competitive than ever. At first glance, the 2026 Swift keeps its iconic, compact hatchback silhouette. Now with a sharper, more aerodynamic look, sleek LED headlights, a bolder front grille, and redesigned alloy wheels give it a sportier and more refined presence. Under the hood, the 2026 Swift introduces a mild hybrid system paired with a 1.2-liter, three-cylinder engine. While it doesn't promise sports car-level performance, this combo is all about maximizing fuel efficiency and reducing emissions, without sacrificing the zippy handling the Swift is known for. It's peppy in the city, confident on the highway. And thanks to its lightweight and responsive steering, it's just plain fun to drive. Inside, Suzuki has stepped up its game. The dashboard is more modern. It's featuring a floating 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Materials feel more premium. And there's a surprising amount of space for a subcompact, both in the front and back. Safety has also taken a major leap forward. With Suzuki's latest driver assistance suite, you get adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and even traffic sign recognition. Not bad for a car that's still expected to be one of the most affordable in its class. One of the standout features is the improved fuel economy. Thanks to the hybrid tech and weight-saving measures, the 2026 Swift can deliver up to 60 miles per gallon in some markets. That's a game-changer for daily commuters and eco-conscious drivers looking for value without compromise. Suzuki has made sure the Swift keeps its soul. It's still the agile, charming hatchback people love, but now it's smarter, safer, and greener. Whether you're a first-time car buyer or looking for a fun second car, the new Swift deserves your attention. That's all for today on Future Car. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2026 Suzuki Swift, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss what's coming next in the world of cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the future.